This is one of my most favorite properties. Let me tell you why. This main house is nearly 100 years old, built in 1928. The primary bedroom was actually an addition that was added on to the original house. It has tons of natural light, original hardwood flooring. It's just flooded with natural light. It also has an ensuite bathroom with an original clawfoot tub, a frameless shower, double vanity, brand new tile, completely remodeled, which also leads into a huge walk-in closet. The secondary bedroom is also on the main level of the main house, has lots of natural light with all the windows, a large closet, hardwood flooring, all completely remodeled. So the breakfast nook, kitchen, and main living area flow completely together, making it an entertainer's dream. The hardwood floors have been completely refinished and they are original. The secondary bathroom has been completely updated with all new fixtures, vanity, and frameless shower. The open concept kitchen off of the main living area features brand new cabinets, new appliances, quartz countertops, and also original hardwood flooring. This front entryway was converted to livable space from an original front porch. This office was created from found space during the renovation. The lower level living space is large enough to reconfigure and add a fourth bedroom as needed. It already has 2 egress windows, so doing this would be pretty easy. Or you could use one side as a game room and the other side as a living area. The third bedroom in the house on the lower level is conforming with a large egress window and ensuite bathroom. The lower level bathroom is a 3/4 bath that's been completely remodeled, has a frameless shower, new vanity, fixtures, and tile. For added convenience, there's a washer-dryer hookup. The newly installed wood deck with metal railings allows ample room for your furniture and provides outdoor entertainment space. In addition to the oversized 2-car garage and RV parking on the west side of the garage, there's also room to park 8 to 10 additional vehicles. Part of what I love about this property is the brand new fully permitted accessory dwelling unit. It's 2-story, 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. The lower level has 1 bedroom with a full walk-in closet, lots of natural light, and luxury vinyl plank flooring. Just off of the bedroom, you'll see a 3/4 bathroom, tiled shower, a new vanity. Upstairs in the ADU, you'll find an open concept kitchen with quartz countertops, shaker style cabinets, stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring, a living room, a washer dryer laundry room, 3/4 bathroom with tiled shower, and then another bedroom which is completely separate from the one downstairs. Both of them have separate entryways, so this is perfect for a roommate situation. There's a separate entry leading to the upstairs deck, overlooking the expansive 3/4 acre backyard. There's plenty of room to add an oversized garage. Reach out today to schedule a showing.